Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we did a few questions on quadrilaterals in exercise 16.1. Today, I will teach you about parallelogram. Yes students, what is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a kind of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal is called a parallelogram, and its symbol is, yes students, it is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. Its opposite sides AB and DC, and second pair AD and BC. Okay, it is called a parallelogram. Yes. In a parallelogram, you should know what are their features. No. Yes. Angle A is equal to angle C, means opposite angles are also equal in form. Angle B is equal to angle D, means if angle A is equal to 60 degree, C is also 60 degree, B is 70 degree, D is also 70 degree, and sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are, means vertex is common, this line is common, and these two angles are adjacent angles. And in this parallelogram, angle A and angle B is also adjacent. Sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Remembering point. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason is sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. Yes. Now we are going to solve exercise 16.2. The first sum is two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. Find the measure of all the angles. What is the name of this parallelogram? Yes. Let's start. Yes, first sum. This is parallelogram. Angle A, B, C and D. In parallelogram A, B, C, D. Now, what are adjacent angles? Angle A and angle B. Let angle A is equal to angle B is equal to X. Because question is two adjacent angles are equal. They are equal, and angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And we know angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Because this is a condition, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in length. Means angle A is equal to angle C is equal to X. Angle B is equal to angle D, also X. Reason is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now you should know sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. In last chapter we done. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, and same condition quadrilateral. X plus X plus X plus X is equal to 360 degree. X plus X plus X plus X, 4X. 4X is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 over 4, 90 degree. Means X is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. Means this is a rectangle. Because first question is find the measure of all angles. Clear? All angles will be 90 degree. And what is the name of the parallelogram? Name of the parallelogram is rectangle because each angle is 90 degree. Yes. Now second sum. The measure of two adjacent angles are in ratio 5:4. Find the measure of each angle of a parallelogram. Yes. This is parallelogram. Angles are in ratio. First 5, second 4. Means A and B in the ratio 5:4. Means angle A is equal to 5x and B is equal to 4x. In parallelogram A, B, C, D, angle A plus angle B is equal to, yes students, 180 degree. Because sum of adjacent angles 180 degree. Yes, now angle A is equal to 5x and B is equal to 4x, 180 degree. 9x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 over 9, 20 degree. X is equal to 20 degree. Now you can find the value of angle A and B. Angle A is equal to 5x. X value of x is equal to 20 degree. 5 multiplied 20 is equal to 100 degree. And angle B is equal to 4x. Means 4 multiplied 20, 80 degree. Now angle A is 100 degree and angle B 80 degree. Opposite angles are also equal. If angle B is equal to 80 degree, angle D is also 80 degree. Angle A 100 degree, angle C also 100 degree. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 100 degree and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 80 degree. Reason is same reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. You can check it. Angle A 100, B 80, C 100, D 80. 100 plus 80 plus 100 plus 80 is equal to 360 degree. Yes. Understood, students? Yes. Now question number 3. One side of a parallelogram is 25 centimeter more than its adjacent side. find the measure of its side if its perimeter is 170 centimeter. This question is different from first and second because there is perimeter given. Yeah. Now question is, one side is 25 centimeter more than adjacent sides. Which are adjacent sides? AD and AB are adjacent sides. BC and CD are adjacent sides. CD and DA are adjacent sides. Means if you suppose AD is equal to x centimeter and AB will x plus 25. If AB is 25, then DC also x plus 25. AD is x, BC is also x, because it is condition for parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal in length and parallel to each other. Now, perimeter is 170 centimeter given. According to question, what is the definition of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of its all sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 170 centimeter. AB x plus 25, BC x, CD x plus 25 and DA x is equal to 170. Now x plus x plus x plus x, 4x, 25 plus 25, 50, 170. 4x is equal to 170 minus 50, 120. X is equal to 120. This side is in multiply. Yes, this side divide. X is equal to 30. Now, question is find the measure of its side. Yes, now how can you measure? First AB, x plus 25 means 30 plus 25 is equal to 55 centimeter. And BC, x means the value of x is 30. And CD, x plus 25 again means 30 plus 25, 55 centimeter. And DA, x is 30. Now you can check your answer. How? AB, BC, CD and DA. Add these numbers. 55, 30, 55, 30. And answer is 170. Same perimeter. Is it clear, students? Yes. Now, fourth question is same. I will give you some hint. The ratio between two adjacent sides 3:4 means this side 3x, this side 4x. Opposite sides are equal, 4x, and its perimeter is 84. Means 3x plus 4x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 84, and same as it third side. Now question number 8. In the adjoining figure, the diagonal AC and BD of parallelogram ABCD intersect at O. Angle A is given, angle BOC given, ACD given and CAD given, and you should find 3 angles. Yes, students, it is a parallelogram. These are two diagonals. This angle is given 36 degree and this one 34 degree. This 50 degree. A, B, C, D. Is a given figure. Question number 8. In parallelogram A, B, C, D, angle BOC 50 degree, angle ACD 34 degree, and angle ADC 36 degree. CAD, sorry students, CAD is equal to 36 degree. Yes. Yes students, you know when two lines are parallel and one line cut, it means intersected, yeah, transversal, you know these two angles are called alternate angles. Same condition in this sum. These two lines are parallel and this line, yeah, this diagonal cut this angle is equal to 34. How? Yes, two parallel lines. This line cut it 36 degree and this angle also 36 degree because these are two alternate angles, and this 34 degree, this angle also 34 degree because these are two alternate angles. Yes. First sum. In first sum you should find the angle OAB, means this angle you should find. Now tell me angle OAB is equal to 34 degree because these are two alternate angles. In second part you should find angle OCB means this angle equal to 36 degree because these are two also alternate angle. And condition is, yes, angle OCB is equal to 36 degree alternate angle. Now in third part you should find angle ADC. Very easy. This is a triangle. First angle 34, second 36 degree, and third you should find. How? Property of a triangle. Yes, in triangle ADC 36 degree plus 34 degree plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. Yes, condition is sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Yes, 36 plus 34, 70 degree. Angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. Yes, three answers. Angle OAB 34, OCB 36 and ADC is equal to 110 degree. Now last sum of this chapter. Yes, the side of a parallelogram ABCD, this is parallelogram ABCD has been produced to E, and angle CBE is equal to 65 degree. Find each angle. Yes, in parallelogram ABCD, first this is 65 degree. Now how can you measure all angles? Yes, this is angle 1 Angle 1 plus 65 is equal to 180 degree angle on a straight line. Angle 1 plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Condition is straight line. Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree, 115 degree. Now this angle is 115 degree and D also 115 degree. Now how can you find angle A? Same condition, angle A plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle 1 is equal to 115. 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 115. 65 degree. Means if angle A is equal to 65, angle C is also 65 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. Now angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 65 degree and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 115 degree. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Complete this exercise 16.2. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can discuss in WhatsApp group. Yes. Thank you.